This is Go Mama. We have the tree behind me, and that is our winter tree for the birds. We're going to be decorating it some. I've already put lights on it for Christmas. Prep for a winter storm. As you can see out here, it's still raining. But tonight we are supposed to get freezing rain, and we are also supposed to get 1 foot plus of snow here. So 5 things that we do here on the homestead to prepare. Number 1, food. Do we have enough food? Obviously we have stocked up, but do you have enough food for 5 days of a winter storm? 2, if you have animals, do you have food for your animals? Very important to have 5 days of food for your animals here in these hills. 3, generator. Is your generator properly running? Do you have enough gas for it? 5 days. 4, what do you heat with? Do you heat with gas? Do you heat with coal? Do you heat with oil? We heat with wood. Do you have enough to be able to sustain 5 days of a winter storm? 5, how are you going to remove the snow? We have a snowblower. My husband has made sure that it is prepared and ready for us, so that if he happens to be gone, I can get the snowblower and I can snow blow our long driveway. 5 things that are the most important to me to be prepared for a winter storm. When they say here, we could get 1 foot plus, they mean 1 foot plus within a short period of time. It's going to be wet snow. It's going to be ice. We just don't know. So, be prepared, folks. Wherever you are, be prepared to have 5 days of prep. 5 days. Doesn't matter whether it's snow, doesn't matter whether you live in the south. You know, you have tornadoes, you have hurricanes, you have all of these things. Be prepared. 5 days worth of those type of things. Now they may change a little bit, but the most important thing that you could do is be prepared. Well, on a light note, we're prepared. So, you guys have a great day, and subscribe, like, and hit that little bell. Share us out, everyone. We love it. If you like our stories and what we're doing here on the homestead. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. You guys have a great day, and toodles.